Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing so good.
Oh my God, it's so good to be here. Nice to meet you, man.
I can't wait to eat.
Let's
It's
go.
so good to be back here. All right, so why am I here there, sir?
So, yeah, I won the lottery for $10 million.
Hold on while I pick up my jaw. That's amazing.
It's a lot.
Oh my gosh, what are
Yeah.
we looking for?
We're looking for a house
For you and your daughter?
for me and my daughter.
Oh.
Yeah, I'd like to have a nice backyard with
Okay.
the pool.
Okay.
It gets hot here in the summertime.
It's hot here now.
So, you know, bedrooms, hopefully one day there'll be a miss in the picture and, you know, so grow into maybe a 5'4", 4'3".
All right, we're looking
somewhere
for
in there.
a nice big house.
Yeah.
Love it.
Probably somewhere in the 750 to 850 range.
Love it.
Maybe need to spend a little bit.
Areas? Do we have specific
I'd like to
areas?
stay in the northwest part of Visalia.
Okay.
It's kind of the growing bougie area there.
Ooh,
So, yeah.
Why not? You got $10 million.
Let's go.
Brent wants to be in the northwest region of Visalia, so that's where we'll start. I chose Lupin Lane for the neighborhood. Each house has its own personality, and the price is still very affordable for California. What do you think of this house?
Like it. I like the curb appeal.
Great. Want to hear all about it?
Yes, I do.
All right, Lupin Lane. It's got 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, plenty of space, over 3,200 square feet, and the price is really good, $769.
Awesome.
You're welcome.
That is great.
It's a great price, right?
It is.
Yeah. Nice grand entryway. Are you ready for this,
I'm
sir?
ready. Let's do it.
Are you ready? Come on in.
Man, check this out.
So good, right?
Super cool.
You looked at the pool right away, didn't you?
I did. Can we check it out?
Later.
Okay.
Yeah, but we'll get there. Huge living room, which we love. Wonderful, huge kitchen.
Yeah.
Are you a cook?
I am. A little bit of everything.
This is a good kitchen. Like, it's
It is.
big, it's open, it's got granite countertops, it's got beautiful backsplash,
A lot of space.
tons of space. Like, the cabinet doors are huge
I'm gonna
and
have to
wide.
buy more dishes, bro.
Why not? Tons of space.
Very cool.
Great dining room over here. We'll get to the outside a little later, but let's go check out the guest rooms.
All right.
3 of the gorgeous guest bedrooms are located along one wing of the house, with a sparkling bathroom, perfect for a growing family. On the other side of the house is the private main suite.
This is super cool.
Isn't this beautiful?
It's really big.
It's really big.
Yeah.
Like, it's huge.
I love the beams.
The beams are beautiful. I'm a huge fan of beams. I have them going in almost every room in my house that I'm renovating. They just add so much character.
I really like it.
Yeah. Why don't you check out this
Oh.
massive bathroom?
Super.
It's huge.
Yeah.
Shower's huge.
Shower's huge. Nice. 2 sinks, both for me.
Both for you. So you like the house so far?
I do. I do.
Do you realize that there's quite a bit more?
There's more to this house?
There's upstairs. Completely
it's a
bonus.
lot.
It's a lot. Listen, sometimes buying big is a little scary.
Right.
I mean, hello, bonus.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
That's a lot of house.
Let's sit down. How about we
All right.
cop a squat?
Catch my breath. A lot of walking going on in this big ass house. No, this is really cool. This could be a lot of things. We like a little theater, a little game room for the kids. This is a nice bonus.
It is a bonus. The 5th bedroom is up here as well.
So it keeps going.
Keeps going. And there's a bathroom up here as well. So
Very nice.
Want to go check out the pool?
Yes.
I know you
You've been
do.
dying to.
Oh my gosh, can I push you in? Look how pretty.
Wow.
Isn't this beautiful?
Kind of looks like a resort.
We have a fire pit over here, kind of hang out, little putting green moments. And this pool is not small.
No.
No. So great space over here. Dining is obviously huge and important, obviously, here
Yeah,
in
we kind of
California.
live outside a lot.
Absolutely.
So perfect for friends and family to come over.
Do you like the property?
I do.
It's good, right?
It's awesome.
Okay,
No,
tomorrow,
very cool.
what can I show you that I haven't shown you today?
Something similar.
Oh, so you love it.
It's very cool. Let's keep going.
I love that.
See what's out there.
Should we go walk around the neighborhood?
Sure.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go spy on some of your neighbors.
All right.
And then I'm gonna have you take me out to eat.
Lunch on me.
I'll pay. Let me tell you a little bit about Sugaree Tree.
Okay.
It's got 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It's quite a bit bigger at over 3,500 square feet.
Wow.
And the price is delicious at $759,000. And they just dropped it $20,000 to $739,000.
Oh, awesome.
Let's
Good
get
job.
into it.
This is nice. I better find more friends for this big room.
It's huge.
It's a lot.
You want to entertain here, right?
I do.
Gigantic dining table. Like, you would have like the world's largest dining room. So we have kitchen and family room over here, but we're gonna start in the family room. Once you get to have a seat over here.
Thank you. This is really open.
Yeah, there's so much family space over here
Right.
that over there, that's a bonus. The landscaping to me just feels like an oasis. It's just lovely.
It is. It has a very calming vibe.
It does.
I like it.
I want to jump in there so bad.
Right.
This is why I love looking at older communities for the landscaping.
Yeah.
If you were to plant this in Lupin Lane, it would take good 15, 20 years to get to this level.
I really like it. I like how it's very private. Yeah, it's nice
Good,
out
right?
here.
Yeah. What can I show you tomorrow?
Maybe a little bit more of the same.
Okay. You
think-
just love where I'm going. don't
Yeah,
you?
I do. You're doing a great job.
This neighborhood's stunning, isn't it?
It is very cool.
Do you like the gated community?
I do. Very
Yeah.
private, hard to find. I didn't even know it was here.
It does have the biggest price tag because of the neighborhood.
So what is the price tag?
All right, let me get into it. Ripple Ridge has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, just a little over 2,700 delicious square feet. And the price is just shy of $820,000. You can afford it. Come on, my darling.
You're pushing the envelope, David.
No one feels sorry for you. $10 million.
Right.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Are you really
I'm really ready.
Here, come on in, cutie pie.
Man, that's really nice.
Good.
I like it.
This, in the day, was set up as a formal living area.
Right. I like how it flows kind of into here.
Do you like yellow?
I'd have to repaint it.
I agree. So over here we have a den. I would turn this into like a little playroom.
Yeah, that'd be a perfect
Yeah,
playroom.
so cute, right?
Yes.
We have a bathroom over here.
Very cool.
Look at the size of this.
This is awesome.
Tons of covered space, which we love.
Yeah.
Beautiful glistening pool set up for glamour. And look at the space over here.
God, wow.
I know.
Bro, I'd buy this house just for the backyard.
Anything in the house you can change.
It goes forever.
But you can't change the neighborhood, and it's harder to change the backyard when it's already super cool.
It's really cool.
Want to see more?
No, I really like the houses that you showed me.
Thank you.
New neighborhoods and what Visalia has to offer. So thank you so much
My
for
pleasure.
the journey. And
Let's go hang out. We'll go eat some food.
yes.
Where are we going? What's your vibe? Because I know it's all about the feels.
I think the one that I see becoming a home is Lupin Lane.
I love it. The neighborhood is idyllic. The price point was fantastic. It needed no work.
Ultimately, we want to create a home. You know, today it's just a house, but I see us creating a home there.
Yeah.
Thank you again for coming by, Visalia.
Thank you.
It's been a tremendous opportunity to hang out with you, and you're definitely as advertised, and I really appreciate it.
Ready for this?
I am.
Cheers to you.
Cheers.
Cheers,
Thank you very
cheers
much.
to you.
I chose the house on Lupin Lane. Really love the neighborhood. Hey! All the neighbors are super friendly. I really am happy with my choice.
What's up, 2 Chainz?
What I love most about the house is the fact that I can entertain and I have space and I can invite all my friends over and we can enjoy each other's company. Who wants lunch? Let's go. I really like the backyard. It's the perfect place to entertain, and I think my friends are going to enjoy coming over and spending time. I love hosting at my new house. Whoa, hey!